Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn how to block someone on Facebook. So if you want to block someone on Facebook, first of all open up your Facebook application. After opening your Facebook application, tap on search which is on the top and then choose an account. You can search any account you like. After choosing an account, tap on the three dotted icons over here. So after tapping on the three dotted icons, you will find the block option in third blank. Just tap on block and then tap on block again. After doing that, you can block someone on Facebook. So if you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.